Hello! In this video, we're going to be going through some very basics of networking. This will include what a network is, how it works, and touch on the designs of the network moving forward so we can continue developing the network as new devices and features are implemented. Let's start with what the network is. And as quoted from the FCF in Florida, a network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources, exchange files, or allow electronic communications. The computers on a network may be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellites, and even infrared light beams. There are two main networks we'll deal with today. These are the local area networks and the wide area networks. The local area network is what you will be using to connect your various devices together across the network you are connected to. You'll find printers, smart devices, and computers attached to this network typically. They will each be given their own assigned address as well. The wide area network is what you will use to connect to devices like dedicated machines and security systems. This is essential for having access while not on site. Having remote access can save a lot of time commuting. Much like a local network, each device is given its own address when connected. In most cases, the host determines what each user or device has access to. Having a good understanding of what kind of network you want to design will go a long way to achieving just that goal. For our design, we're going to start with a very simple network. This can be done using a chart, images, folders. Use that imagination. In this example, we've got a standard office setup. We have our office computers connected to the office drive, with the master computer connected to a private printer. It moves on to the main bridge and then into the network drive itself. In a network that navigates in this manner, it will likely go through some vigorous scanning between all these transfers of data, so it's important to have your firewall set up. It is then sent from the network drive to another bridge, which will direct the traffic data to the main server. That's pretty much it for this design. Once you've designed your network, you'll have a clearer picture of what you plan to use this network for. Initially, you may have just wanted a simple network for home use and ended up constructing your network with a fully functional website. Just be sure to keep a consistent naming convention. It will make things a lot easier moving forward. First, I'll need a web server that can play various video types. Then I'll need to get a domain name for that server to mask the IP address. We're going to need some security certificates for that domain as well. We'll install some dependencies for the game servers I want to run on. And oh, let's not forget the firewall for added security. That seems like it should just do it. With this as a base, we'll get started by getting a web server up and running. Check out the next video for more on how to do that.